Welcome to day 5, hold and hustle. So we're going to hold our poses. We're gonna balance a lot. So you're gonna notice the strength in those poses. It's gonna challenge your mind. So stay focused on your intention. Try not to let yourself fall out of the poses, but be aware, are you better at balancing on one side than the other? So we're gonna go ahead and find the top of our mats. And I want you to inhale, press into the balls of your feet, pull your heart forward. Exhale, roll your shoulders down your back. Feel your feet lift even more. Good, start to bend your knees, find your balance. Bend your knees to a place where your tailbone almost aligns with your knees but doesn't drop below. Heels are still up. And then to make it harder, raise both arms. Take a deeper breath in. Exhale on the balls of your feet. Heels are still lifted, fold forward. If you're really tight, this is a great opportunity to use your blocks with your heels lifted. Balance. Exhale, drop your heels. And then when you're ready, step your left foot back. Inhale, rise into your lunge and lift your heart forward. Breathe slowly, take the hands back behind you for airplane arms. Hold your heart there. Take your time and breathe. Notice if you're shaking a little bit, try to become a little bit more still. And then fly off this back leg. If you need to, bring your hands to your blocks. Otherwise, keep the arms back behind you. Now this is day 5, so you could be a little bit sore or just challenged from all the different thoughts of a yoga practice. Or you could be noticing what you love about a certain practice and don't love about another. Come all the way through standing, bring the left knee in. Your right foot is getting stronger, all those muscles are getting stronger. Now we're gonna take our foot to either our calf muscle, so that would be below the knee, I'll turn towards you, or above the knee. Tree pose. Tree pose seated or standing, normal, feels fine. Tree pose with arms extended gets a little bit harder. Tree pose with your gaze up gets harder, and then tree pose with your eyes closed gets even harder. Take a breath in wherever you choose to be and bring your hands back to your heart. I'm gonna spin forward and we're gonna release our foot. Inhale, reach up. Exhale again, come into the balls of your feet. Start to bend your knees into that chair. So again, option 1 here. Option 2, arms by your side. Option 3, make it harder, arms up. Hold it, balance. 3, 2, stay on the balls of your feet. Use your blocks if needed. Stay up on the balls of the feet to fold. Exhale, drop the heels. Take the right foot, step it back. Inhale, up into your lunge, breathe. Reach up through your fingertips, bend your front knee. Press your back heel back behind you, lift your heart. Exhale, slowly come forward, bring your heart forward, reach your arms back. So there's a different breath we find in yoga. We really stay focused with a nice, slow, long breath in these holds. And these aren't even as long as some holds are in a practice, so really start to find what works for you. When you're ready, push off your back foot. Warrior 3. Again, hands can come here, they can move to your blocks. But if you can, keep them behind you, fly. Inhale, heart forward. Exhale, come all the way through standing. Bring the knee with you, try to avoid touching the ground. And then above or below the knee, finding your tree pose again, Vrikshasana. Heart reaches forward, hands can be at heart center, or they can be by your sides, maybe up, maybe you look up, maybe you back bend, or again, eyes closed. 3, 2, return the hands to the heart, and then the feet together. Inhale as you separate your feet, reach up and over your head. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift and lengthen, step your left foot back, come into your lunge again. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, open the hips, warrior 2. Lift your front heel up. So you're only in the ball of your right foot. Feel all the effort here as you balance on your back foot and the ball of your right foot. Hold there, nice and strong. And then drop the heel, straighten both legs, reverse warrior straight leg. We're gonna come into half moon. So you're gonna reach forward, use your block if you need to, which I'll demonstrate with. Ground the right palm, open up your hips. Raise your top left arm. Take a big breath in and maybe look all the way up at your fingertips. Exhale, if you can, you're gonna bring this bottom hand to your heart. So my right hand's gonna move up to my chest. For 3, stay with me, 2, transition up to stand. Hug the knee tightly to the belly. Full breath in. Exhale into twisted half moon. So use your block again. Left hand. Right arm's gonna come right out from the shoulder. Look all the way up at your thumb. Squeeze your legs together. Keep lifting this left leg up. Look to the right. Hold it. Exhale. Slowly step back into your lunge. Reach up into the sky. Exhale. Frame your front foot. Take your peace fingers, grab your right big toe as you pivot. So I took my peace fingers, I went right inside my big toe and second toe, held onto it, dropped the heel, and then pulled the knee up. Stay there or extend the leg. So option 1, keep it bent. Option 2, up. Try to bring it back. Pause. Bend the knee, warrior 2, land. Inhale, normal reverse warrior. Exhale, first chaturanga, hands down. Step it back, single leg. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look forward, hop. Fold. Halfway lift your spine and lengthen. Exhale, fold. Shake your head side to side. Inhale, rise all the way to stand, reach up high. Bring the hands to your heart, lift your heels, and then squat. Find this balance. You can get a little bit lower. Arms forward, down, or up. 3, 2, stay on the toes, heels up as you fold. Remember to use your blocks. Exhale, heels down. We'll take the right foot and we'll step it back. Inhale, rise up into your lunge. Open your hips slowly to warrior 2. And you're gonna lift this bottom heel up. Relax the shoulders down. Breathe into your legs and then feel this heel, how it's gonna turn on more muscles. Drop the heel, straighten both legs. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, slowly move into half moon. So bend the knee if you need to. Pop it forward, use your block. If you don't have a block, by the way, it's okay to put your hand down, it's just harder. Right hand to right hip, roll the chest up. Raise your right arm up if you want. Hold it there for 3. If you can, watch my left hand. I'm gonna remove it from the block and balance. 2. And then on 1, slowly bring the hand down. And then my opposite hand down. Take your time. Roll through the hips and through the pelvis. From there, I want you to switch sides. Right hand down. Inhale, peel your left arm up, open the chest. And then maybe look all the way up, squeeze your inner thighs together, press out of your standing leg. 3, 2, exhale, step back to crescent. Inhale, raise both arms. Exhale, open warrior 2. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Take the peace fingers on your left foot, drop your heel, pull your knee in. So even if you're like, I can't do this pose, you can do part of this pose, okay? So peace fingers to big toe, drop it, pull it in. Stay or press your leg up. Stay here if you want, look forward, step. Inhale, pull your heart forward, find your breath. From here, we're just gonna step back to our high plank, top of a push-up. Exhale, melt through chaturanga. Inhale up, and then exhale back to your down dog. Take your right hand to the center of your mat, take your left hand to your left hip, open up your feet, come forward, single arm plank. Exhale back. One more time, inhale forward, exhale back, and just switch sides. Left hand is gonna lower down, right hand at your low back. Inhale forward, find your balance. Exhale back. Try not to let your hips open. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, come back. Bring your hands down, bring your toes back. Look forward, we're gonna step or float, your choice. I'm gonna bend my knees, look forward. Pop up, and then land. Halfway lift, fold forward. Come onto the balls of the feet, raise the heels, drop down. Hands at heart center, balance on the balls of your feet. If this hurts your feet a lot, place a block underneath your heels, just like that. Hold and breathe. We're gonna cross our ankle over our knee. So I'm gonna remove the block, take my right ankle, bring it over my knee, and then if you need to, watch, I'm gonna use my blocks for balance next to me. So you can stay here, you can put that block back under, or you can bring one hand to your heart and maybe the other. Stay there for 3, 2, find your block so you don't fall, and then release. Sit up nice and tall. Switch sides when you're ready. Go ahead, cross it over. Squeeze your legs together nice and tightly, sitting back on the heel bone, lift your chest. Left hand to heart first, and then your right. 3, 2, release the hands, release the toes, and then fold forward. Good work, guys. One more standing balance. Lift and lengthen halfway. Take your right peace fingers, right big toe. Left hand, left hip, bend your knees a lot if you need to, and then inhale either with a bent knee, option 1, or with a straight leg. Come through standing. Reach the foot forward, and I want you to notice, A, the frustrations that come up with balance, but also B, these small challenges. You're not in a lunge, you're standing on one leg, and that's where this gets hard. So option 1, you're right here. Option 2, all the way out. And then if you can, leg stays up, arms stay up, big breath. Exhale your hands down. If you want, add one handstand hop for balance. And maybe you fall out of it. Release your feet down. Left peace fingers, left big toe, right hand, right hip. And then either bent knee or straight leg up. Big, tall stance, lift the heart. It's not about this leg being straight, it's about your standing leg straightening and then your opposite leg reaching out. Raise your arms, big breath. If you want, one hop, last challenge right here. Release. Exhale, grab the back of your legs and fold. Lengthen out. Exhale, fold. Come all the way to stand where we started. Inhale, reach up high, bring the hands to heart center. Close your eyes for a moment and then just notice this heat that you've built throughout your whole body from your single leg movement. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 6.